wheels for one of my doctors, man. What is this? Something like that. Something like that. Now he gonna fix it, man. I'm gonna take some before and after pictures too. It's the back rim. You still gotta do the front rim. Look at that, man. Y'all should have seen it before we started, but that's okay. Just a little curb rash. He fixing.
Yep.
He the man, guys. I'm telling you.
It will get there.
Hey, you need some rims fixed?
We gotta save his wheels because
Oh yeah, got the him.
it has a sticker.
Yeah, got a sticker.
Hey, if it have that sticker, then
yeah, we go crazy. Yep. Yeah, man, y'all need any rims fixed, man? Shoot. Let me show y'all where to come, man. Y'all know. Oh, he took the sign down. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, Dove City. Rim shop. EC. Y'all see? Yep. He had a sign right there. It's on the door. It's on the door, guys. It's on the back of the door. But yeah. It's on the back of the door. Oh, here it is right here. Look how long you've been doing this, guys. Established in 2007. Yep. Dove City. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's the truck that's going on. That's one of my doctors. Y'all seen the video I did. That's one of my doctor's car. That's a 2022 X5M Competition. Yeah. And see, guys, this is what the rims look like. They dirty because, you know, I got to go wash the car. But, yeah. They're going to look the same. Matte paint. Once I wash the car, you know, yeah. X5 Competition. So, yeah, he in there doing his thing, man. So, he in there doing, look. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh, smooth as a baby's behind, man. I wish I had did it before and after, but yeah. But this one, this the front one. It's got some curb rash on it too. Y'all see it? This the front one. See this right here? You got that. You got a little bit right there. And then you got a little bit right there. And he gonna make it look good. He gonna paint them and everything, guys. But like I said, if you need any rims, man, come to Dove City, man. Look at this. I'm gonna take some before and after pictures. Y'all gonna see it like this, and then y'all gonna see it once he finished the rim, man. All right, guys, just like that, I'm out of here, man. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.